Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to blur small area in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To blur a small area in CapCut on Android device, follow these steps. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device. Then tap on New Project. Then choose a video clip where you want to blur the video. Then tap on Add. Now go to the Effects section. Go to Video Effects. Then search for blur. Then tap on the search icon. Then choose the first option. And just hit on cancel. Tap on the check mark. Then extend the keyframes of this blur effect. Now, all we need to do is to go back again, tap on overlay, then tap on overlay again, tap on the previously selected video, tap on add, then just fit the video to the screen until it matches the size of your first video. Now, still, the second video is selected. Go ahead and find the mask option from the tool. Then tap on mask. Then, you can either choose which shapes you want to blur. So I choose the circle to cover up this logo. Then tap on invert. As you can see, the logo has been blurred. Now it has been blurred, tap on the check mark. Still, our work never done. What we need to do is add a keyframe. Go back to the second video. Then go to the mask section. Then just move the circle. Then let's add a new keyframe. As you can see, the blur has been moving, but it's not perfectly made. And that's how to blur a small area in CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.